Lift your balls up. It's good to see. Hello, I'm
Justin.
Look. Today is little Teddy's birth. Do you like birth? Lots of things for a birth. Let's see what we've got. A car. Ah, look. Birth. You sign. Birth. Lots of things for a birth.
Hello, Mr. Tumble.
Oh, hello. Yes, it's Grandad Tumble's birth.
Grandad Tumble.
Yes, Grandad Tumble's birth.
That's a big book, Mr. Tumble.
Oh, yeah. Yes, it's a big...
Oops.
Oh, good idea.
Oh, look.
Grandad Tumble will like his balls.
Happy birthday.
Oh, birth.
What are you going to do, Mr. Tumble?
Aha. Oh.
Do we have to say the magic word?
Yes.
No.
Ready? It's time to say goodbye.
Hello, Mr. Tumble. Why are you being
Gay.
Mr. Tumble? You baby.
Yes, baby.
Count, Mr. Tumble. There's a balloon behind you. Oh no!
More Fortnite.
Tumble,
Oh, hey.
are you going to get baby?
Ah, thank you, Grand.